The ocean is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Even though humans have only explored about 5% of it, there's still so much we don't know about the underwater world. But what we do know is that it's full of some pretty terrifying creatures. From deadly jellyfish to cannibalistic whales, here are the top 10 most dangerous sea creatures. Number 10. The Portuguese man-o'-war. First up on our list of the most dangerous sea creatures is the Portuguese man-o'-war. This creature is actually not a jellyfish, but rather a colony of organisms working together as one. Each individual is called a zooid, and they all work together to help the colony survive. The Portuguese man-o'-war can be found in both the Atlantic and Indo-Pacific Oceans, and typically live in warm waters between 41 degrees north and 42 degrees south. They are renowned for their vibrant blue color and their long, trailing tentacles which can reach lengths of up to 30 meters. These tentacles are covered in stinging cells which they use to capture prey such as fish and plankton. But if you're unlucky enough to swim into one of these colonies, those same cells will sting you. And let us tell you, it's not a pleasant experience. The pain from being stung by a Portuguese man-o'-war is excruciating and can even be fatal. There have been many cases of people dying after being stung by these creatures, so if you're swimming in the ocean, keep an eye out for these blue blobs. You don't want to end up as one of their victims. No. 9. Blue-ringed octopus. Next up, we have the blue-ringed octopus. This octopus is small, measuring only about 8 inches across. But don't let its size fool you. It's one of the most venomous creatures in the world. The blue-ringed octopus is found in the Pacific Ocean from Japan to Australia, and is known for its blue rings, which only appear when it's excited or threatened. These octopuses are incredibly fast and can deliver a venomous bite in just a few seconds. Their venom is extremely toxic and can cause paralysis, leading to death within minutes. There's no anti-venom for this bite, and the only treatment is supportive care. So if you're bitten by a blue-ringed octopus, your best chance of survival is to get to shore as quickly as possible and receive medical attention right away. No. 8. Box jellyfish. Another highly venomous creature you might encounter in the ocean is the box jellyfish. As its name suggests, it has a box-shaped bell and is transparent, making it difficult to see in the water. But that's not the only reason why these jellyfish are so dangerous. They're also known for their extremely painful sting, which can cause paralysis and even death. Box jellyfish can be found in coastal waters around the world, but are most common in Australia, where they're responsible for a number of stings every year. Many people mistake box jellyfish for being a Portuguese man-o'-war, but they're actually two completely different creatures. Box jellyfish are more spherical in shape and have 4 distinct sides. They also have a more complex nervous system than other jellyfish, which allows them to react faster and deliver a more powerful sting. If you do get stung by a box jellyfish, you should immediately pluck the tentacles off with tweezers if possible, because that will help break down the unfired cells less than scrubbing with seawater or a credit card. But even that won't stop the pain. The sting of a box jellyfish is extremely painful and can lead to respiratory problems, cardiac arrest, and even death. There have been many fatalities caused by box jellyfish stings, especially in Australia where the water can be warmer and the jellyfish are more active. Number 7. Lion's mane jellyfish. If you thought the box jellyfish was scary, then wait till you hear about the lion's mane jellyfish. This massive creature can have tentacles that are up to 125 feet long and a bell that's 7 feet across. That's big enough to cover an entire basketball court. The lion's mane jellyfish is the largest known species of jellyfish in the world, and if you're unlucky enough to come into contact with one, you'll definitely feel its wrath. The lion's mane jellyfish inhabits cold northern waters and typically stays at depths of 3,000 feet or more. But occasionally these jellyfish come closer to shore, and that's when they become a danger to swimmers and boaters. Being stung by a lion's mane jellyfish is not something you want to happen. The sting is extremely painful and can cause welts that look like severe sunburn. The tentacles are also very sticky and can attach to your skin, making them even harder to remove. In some cases, the sting can even lead to eye and ear infections. So if you ever spot a lion's mane jellyfish, stay far away. No. 6. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is one of the largest reptiles in the world and is known for its aggressive behavior. These crocodiles can grow up to 23 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. They are found in brackish waters in Southeast Asia and Australia and are responsible for a number of attacks on humans each year. Saltwater crocodiles are opportunistic hunters and will eat just about anything that enters their territory. They've been known to attack boats, livestock, and even cars, and they're especially dangerous to swimmers and surfers. If you're attacked by a saltwater crocodile, your best chance of survival is to fight back. The saltwater crocodile is powerful enough to drag a full-grown human underwater with ease. Once you're under the water, it will use its powerful jaws to crush your bones and swallow you whole. No, I have great white shark. When it comes to dangerous sea creatures, you can't forget about the great white shark. This massive predatory fish is found in coastal waters around the world and is responsible for hundreds of attacks on humans each year. Great white sharks are huge, growing up to 20 feet long and weighing more than 2,000 pounds. They have a powerful bite force that can easily crush bones, and their razor-sharp teeth can inflict deep puncture wounds. If you're attacked by a great white shark, you need to fight back. Try to gouge out its eyes, pull on its gills, and hit it on the snout as hard as you can. Anything you can do to make the shark go away will increase your chances of survival. No, for blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth. These massive creatures can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are actually quite graceful and can swim at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Blue whales typically eat krill and other small fish, but they're not afraid to snack on larger prey, such as seals and porpoises. They use their massive jaws to engulf their prey whole, and their strong teeth crush their prey's bones. Blue whales are endangered creatures and are protected by law. However, they are still hunted by humans for their meat and oil. Many countries around the world have banned the hunting of blue whales, but the practice continues in some areas despite international pressure. If you see a blue whale in the wild, consider yourself lucky. They're incredibly rare, and seeing one is said to bring good luck. Just be careful not to get too close. Their size and strength make them potentially dangerous if approached. Number 3. Kraken. The kraken is a legendary sea monster said to dwell off the coasts of Norway and Sweden. It's described as a colossal creature with tentacles that can wrap around and crush ships. While the kraken may be a mythical beast, there are real-life creatures that could have inspired the legend. Giant squid and colossal squid are known to inhabit the deep waters off the coast of Norway and could potentially reach the massive size described in the myths. These creatures have been sighted by fishermen and scientists, but their enormous size and strength make them incredibly difficult to study. It's estimated that giant squid can grow up to 43 feet long and weigh over 1,100 pounds. Their tentacles are lined with sharp suckers that can leave permanent scars on human skin. If a giant squid or colossal squid were to latch onto a ship, it could easily capsize it and drag it down to the depths of the ocean. The basking shark. The basking shark is the second largest fish in the world, reaching lengths of up to 26 feet. These sharks are filter feeders and use their massive mouths to engulf huge amounts of water. They then strain out krill, plankton, and small fish to eat. Despite their enormous size, basking sharks are slow-moving creatures and are not considered to be dangerous to humans. However, they can pose a risk to swimmers and boaters due to their massive bodies and powerful tails. The basking shark's tail is very strong and can easily smash a small boat or injure a swimmer. Additionally, their mouths are so big that they could easily swallow a human whole. If a basking shark were to bite down on a person, it would crush their bones like a soda can. But thankfully, basking sharks are not aggressive towards humans and will typically avoid us unless provoked. Number 1. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is the largest toothed whale in the world and is truly a fascinating creature. These whales can grow up to 65 feet long and weigh over 45 tons. They have a massive head that makes up almost a third of their total length and a huge mouth filled with sharp teeth. Sperm whales are known for their incredible diving abilities, plunging to depths of over 3,000 feet in search of food. They typically eat giant squid and other deep-sea creatures. Sperm whales are highly intelligent creatures and are capable of communicating over long distances using a variety of clicks, whistles, and pulses. Despite their enormous size, sperm whales are surprisingly agile and can swim at speeds of up to 23 miles per hour. While sperm whales are not typically aggressive towards humans, they can pose a risk to swimmers and boaters due to their sheer size and strength. A single swipe of its powerful tail could smash a boat to pieces, and its massive jaws could easily crush a human skull. However, attacks on humans are extremely rare and typically only occur when the whale feels threatened or is protecting its young. And there you have it, the top 10 most dangerous sea creatures. Which one scared you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to like and share for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.